We only got 10 minutes. Let's get going. Simple, gentle twist. Warm up the body. Let's build on everything we've been doing. Continuing to show up. Consistency, discipline, mobility, strength. Oh, let's do some balance as well today. Why not? And bring a real mindful presence into everything we do. Gentle twist. And then let's swing the arms. I got a nice solid base down below. Feeling strong. This athletic stance as we swing our arms. And go backwards with the arms. Connect that breath to your movement. Let's feel alive today. There we go. Smile at ourselves. Ooh, and twist again. Maybe we can twist a little deeper, a little further. Turn the head a little further. Oh, breathe. With a little bit more consciousness. Oh, yes. Like you were holding a paddle. And then switch. In this nice athletic stance. We bend down a little bit. Imagine you're pulling the water with your oar. Strong fist. Feel the strength when you grip your oar. You can sink a little deeper. Pull a little further back. Imagine yourself floating down the river. Which river are you on? Move a little bit more quickly. Let's really heat things up. Yes, last one. Shake it out just a little bit. Same stance. Side to side. You modify, as always, but can you start sinking down a little bit further? Hinging at the hips to possibly touching your toes. Maybe the shins is where you're at, or the knees, the thighs. It matters not. Just feel that nice twist, and maybe it is just like this for you right now. Awesome. But maybe you can sink down a millimeter further on each one. Find a nice flow, bit of pace. We're gonna get the heart beating today, the blood circulating. Come on up as we build all these other incredible attributes that we do every day. Reach out to the side, but I want you to really picture your spine stretching out. You're elongating, reaching as far as you can, decompressing the spine. Because you show up every day, allows me to show up with you. And I don't know if my back's ever felt so good. These low impact movements have just been absolutely remarkable for my lower back health. When the lower back feels good, the quality of life just goes up exponentially. Oh, so thank you for being here, being a part of this community. Reach it out, reach. A little further. How far can you go? And one last one. Brilliant. I do say brilliant a lot. Everything is awesome. Why not brilliant, huh? Okay, so heel, swing the arms, looking forward. Nice sense of integrity in this movement. You can begin to swing the arms a little bit more when you're ready. And then also turn the head. Let's keep building the mobility in our neck, upper spine. You can tap that foot out a little further. You feel a nice stretch in your hamstrings and the calf muscle. You can look a little bit further behind. Feel that strength in the arms as you reach back. And breathe. Wherever you're at, just be in awe of it. Anything you can do, any movement, the smallest of movements, let's be grateful for it. Find with that gratitude, and we start to build on it a little bit. When I'm grateful for what I have, and seemingly I get a little bit further. Oh yes, happy days. Okay, feeling good. Let's continue to build that amazing leg strength. Bring your hands, touch your fingertips. We're gonna come into a squat and then rise up and touch the fingertips overhead. Come on down. See if you can't get each fingertip to touch. Build a little coordination. Proprioception, where we are in our space. And sink down as low as feels right for you. Find that edge. Breathe. Maybe you look to the sky. Can you get the fingertips to come together? I keep missing. There's so much we can do with movement. Have fun. Let's be playful and childlike. Maybe you bend the back just a little bit. 5 more. And I don't know if that was 5 or not. I lose count so easily. I don't know why I bother. The number doesn't matter. The movement does. Reverse lunge. I want to go like this. That's the way. So this is going to look different for each of us. Maybe this move, head up high, shoulders back, real integrity, where you're just tapping the foot back, but swinging the arms. Maybe this movement is accessible, where we hover the foot. So we work on our balance as well, building strength in the hips, in our glutes. Engage your core stability. Wherever you're at, find that movement, embrace it, and go with it. You possibly sink a little deeper. Head up high. Find that spot on the horizon. It's going to help you with your balance. You got this. You are balanced and strong. A couple more. And we hold it for just a second. Feel that. Yeah. Okay. I would like to move laterally. And maybe you just want to have a lateral movement where you push down the hands just a bit. Really get that energy, the chi flowing. But for those of you who would like, I'd like to come all the way to the ground. Think of this as maybe like a little frog hop. Kind of skip to the side, bring your hands to the ground. As we move forward, I'd like to bring a few movements to the ground. Increase our mobility, ability to get on and off the floor with ease and strength. Again, if you can't get down, Beautiful. But I'm feeling good. Loose, strong, gentle, nice light touch to the ground. Connect to the earth. Let's go one more lap. Ooh, shake the legs. How does that feel? It feels great. It feels great to be alive. Let's finish off our session, building some balance. Open up your chest. Gosh, this one movement can make such a difference. We're carrying stress in our shoulders and upper back and neck, and just this to loosen things up. But if you'd like, maybe you bring the leg up. And you could just tap the heel if that's where you're at. Beautiful. You bring it up, you feel it in the hamstring. Engage your core. You dare close your eyes? Give it a go. If you stumble, love it. Be grateful for it. Thank you for the challenge. Thank you for the opportunity to be my best self. This is, again, a relatively simple move. Doesn't mean it's easy. And last couple. Well done. I think I might have been cheating a bit and opened my eyes up a little. Oh, my mood is energy. Yes. Thank you for continuing to be here. One moment. Let's just be for a second. Maybe take that nice athletic stance. We feel strong. Just close your eyes for a moment. When you got that good base and how solid you are there. You can close your eyes. You could stand like that all day with your eyes closed. And just be for a moment. Feel your inner strength, that inner aliveness. Thank you again. Please let me know how this session goes. It does inspire me. It inspires others. Let's keep growing this incredible community. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.